Hi, my name is Olivia Wolf. I'm the program director at the Findlay YMCA. Today for our Y on the Fly volunteers, we are going to show you how to make reverse tie-dye in this video. For the reverse tie-dye, these are the supplies that you will need. Dark colored shirts, bleach, rubber bands, scissors, a rinsing station, a pouring device, tongs. So the first step is going to be you're going to gather all your materials and lay your shirt out flat on a surface. You will bunch the shirt into multiple sections and you will tie off the sections with rubber bands, and you will make sure the rubber bands are bound tightly around those sections. Next, you will take your tied shirt to the rinsing station and pour approximately 2 cups of bleach into the pouring device. Then pour the bleach directly onto the rubber bands and let it soak into the shirt for about 10 to 15 seconds. Pour the excess bleach all over the shirt. Wait about 20 to 30 seconds for the rest of the bleach to saturate into the shirt. After the bleach has soaked into the shirt, carefully take off the rubber bands. If you have a pair of scissors, you can also cut off the rubber bands. Then you will thoroughly rinse the bleach from the shirt with warm water. You will notice the orange tinted water coming from the shirt. Rinse until the water is clear again. To ensure that all the excess bleach gets out of the shirt, you can also put the shirt through the washer. After your shirt has been washed, you can throw it into the dryer to dry, or you can let it air dry outside for 24 hours. Thank you so much for watching, and have fun making your reverse tie-dye shirts.